Hello guys, for today's video ay mag-a-attend tayo ng barbecue party dito sa Arena Center. Ayan, dito tayo magpa-party dito sa likod nitong arena. Kasama ko yung mga katrabaho ko dito sa AD Plastic. Ayan, naglalakad na ako ngayon papunta sa venue. Yung mga iba kong kasama naliligo pa kaya nauna na ako. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa arena. Wala pa yung mga kasama natin.
Yan, tapos si Dado, si Patricia na namin. Balik.
Oh, ayan.
Hi, hi! Kamusta? Kamusta?
Kapunta kami ngayon Baguio.
Baguio. Wow, Baguio.
Tayo Baguio. Dragon Ice here.
Okay. Ayan guys, ito na yung mga kasama natin sa pagpipiknik.
Barbecue.
Ayan.
Joy.
TV show.
Yeah?
This is Joy.
She's Joy.
Chiquita Joy.
Joy ganda. Beautiful.
Na chiquita maganda.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Dala.
Alam mo what is pala? Pala, shovel. What? Shovel. Pala. Oh, the place of pala is fell down. Yes, shovel. No, the place of pala some. I fell. Filipino, bang kabuhayan na gid ya? Yeah, beene pa.
Ay, sobra. Umaya, sobra.
Isasyaran mo.
Ay, wag kayo. Ang kiti kayo ni Kuya Joey. May chan-chan siya.
Ito.
Ang layo pala.
Joey, I go explore abandoned
Where?
hospital and
There? Abandoned hospital?
Na ano ko na yan eh. Nakakastos ko yun sa dati.
Oh.
you give me the camera and I will be, here are the ghosts. And then I caught the ghost. And then I
And
will
then?
be possessed.
Oh my God.
Why? Because they're lonely souls. They died in the hospital.
But you know that.
Abandoned hospital there.
I know that hospital for years.
For years.
I know it. There are many ghosts, demons.
Really?
Now is the time. The day has come. I will go there and explore. I'm trying to be creepy, but I'm not.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa venue namin dito sa Magubat. Ayan. Ayan. Dito sa park. Ayan, mag-iihaw kami dito. Ito yung mga kasama natin, oh. Ayan.
Tired. Hi.
It's Ibana.
Welcome. To the abandoned hospital there. I go explore. When I go inside? Yes. Creepy.
Yes.
Who wants to go with me? No. Any?
Adobo.
No. Nema. I go alone. Explore.
Kunti lang eh. Lating kilo.
Tara, mag-ihaw na tayo. Simulan na natin. I get to.
Ba, may plastic ah.
Plastic.
Pang Sharon.
Ayaw ko yung bag mo. Dati ka lang travel.
Hi.
Oy, dito mo na.
Yung sa vlog niya.
Oh, mag-hi ka.
Hello.
Imaduro.
Enjoy kami dito.
Ano eh, doon sa kabila. Pwede naman kami.
Ay, wow.
Aura.
Yes, me.
This is for you. Happy birthday. Hey, lighter. I need a lighter.
Here.
Now we will sing.
Yeah, we will sing now.
Yeah.
31 ka pa lang, Jess? Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't.
Yeah, birthday girl.
Ay,
Kuya.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jasmine. Again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you.
Ikaw pala. Guys, drink.
Meron pa kami
What you waiting for? Drink wine.
Oh, just wine. Hindi na kasi birthday mo. Sabi ko na, iyak siya.
Yeah. Może.
That's easy.
Ayan, no? Sarap nito, oh. Shanghai, tsaka dumplings.
Oyster.
Ayan, may sausawan pa, oh.
Ikaw gusto mo ng garlic?
Diba na? Two lovers.
Two hours and the water done.
Yeah.
2 hours and they're still making they're still. Hello. Leave it on.
Diba na?
Something.
This, please.
No. We are just here and enjoy.
Yeah.
There's the hospital. Yes, okay. Ano yun? Wine?
Bina.
Ano yung ginawa mo?
Wine.
Oh, you try to play budot.
Anthony, Anthony is good at that. Anthony.
Yes.
Yeah. Anthony.
Sayaw kayo ha! Palitan mo kayo, magsayaw tayong budot.
Merong ano?
I cannot.
Ay, mahela naman nila ibang botot yun eh.
Pulang-pula na.
Uwi mo na!
You're drunk.
Diba?
Yan?
If you are not because if you're
More, bana, more! Slow, low, low! Low, bana, low!
Parang nakapunta siya.
Sister, come on, here! Sister! Lai, hindi naman maganda yan!
Dale, Master, where is that?
Sa baba, layo! Sa baba, lay! Ayan, layo! Pwede, lay! Yan, sa baba, yan! Share daw, share!
Dito na.
Ochi, pinapayami lahi natin ah.
Ang galing sumayaw.
Nakakuha ako.
Sure. Yes!
Ayan guys, ito pa yung mga pagkain namin, no? Ang dami, oh. Mga tosino, iniihaw. Ito pa, oh. Pork. Sarap. Ayan. At ito yung mga kasama natin dito sa Arena Park. Kakain tayo ng pork.
You are my coach. Oh, shit. Sakin na to?
Oo, wala. Vai, Ajde. No mi pasa, ¿no?
Ayan guys, maglalaro kami ng touching ball. Ayan, pipili tayo ng team natin. Kalaban natin yan si Jomer.
Joe is too lazy. He can't do anything about sport.
Yes, Joey, yes. Daligan mo kuya, nakasarali yung budget natin.
Anthony is not Joe is not athletic. Only Anthony is a rival. Only Anthony can do sports.
Jasmine, awag video!
Sige.
Sali ka eh.
Sali ka eh, walang antos.
Kasali, wala nga ito lahat po.
Si Mario ba?
Hindi, tatayo ko to eh, tatayo. Baba to.
Habang tumatakbo si Boss Joey.
Ayan yung mga katim ko. Ayan o, nakahintay na o.
Team ni Joey. Team Joey.
Team Joey.
Noah and Jasmine.
Mare, pieski ako treba! Ajmo!
Как се јадо? Ja nemam kad doći. Ja sam malo pretjerao,
Ajmo next, Omer, Joey. Ja.
Joey, you choose Joey. I choose Dragana. Because it's athletic.
No, I'm choosing Noah.
Noya.
Okay, I'm next.
2, 4. Patricia.
No, it's just Mario.
Oh, Mario.
Joey, your turn.
Ibitska.
Rodeo.
Ibitska, Ibitska.
Just louder.
Ibitska.
Ibitska.
Here, come here.
Come here.
Yo, Jumir.
Then take Roja.
Roja. Yo. Sino?
Siya.
Okay, I'm next.
Ja, kijk de bolle Kurans Maria.
Maria.
So who's next?
Trisha.
Here.
Trisha. Here.
I'm Omen.
Mir.
I'm choose Rodeo.
Radio.
Okay, me Pino Rojo.
Russia is ours. Already ours.
Dale. You.
You. Choose.
Go with sister. Oh, I go choose Irene.
Sister.
Monster Victoria.
Let's play dodgeball!
Чекай,
Look, me too. I'm black.
Be like that. No, don't put it all the time. Please don't join me.
You are white, you see?
Yes, but don't put it all the time, please. Joy, if you want to be my friend, don't do it.
That's a lie.
But don't do it. Because you are black and be like that.
Guys, so kasama ko si Ivana. Tsaka si Anthony and Joanne.
Something to the Filipino people. Hi. Now you all think the white skin is something special. I'm just a human like you.
Yes.
Just be like you are. You are perfect the way you are.
That's why I was
That's it.
before.
Yana, don't listen what I talk.
Used to drink in that. Yeah.
I'm drunk.
You're drunk.
In the Philippines.
Yes, I'm not.
Why? Because when I first came here in Croatia, I'm fucking fat.
You're not now.
Now, yeah. I'm just maintaining.
I'm not.
I didn't say something.
Patricia. Patricia. Say something. Patricia.
Eat.
Hi, Anthony.
Hi.
Hindi ko makakanta. Dapat ba?
Какой мы нечто?
It's fucking good at fucking fit, so.
Ayan guys, kumakain kami ngayon at saka nagiinuman. Ayan yung mga kasama natin sa trabaho. Ayan si Chang, oh. Lasing na si Chang.
I know. Go and eat meat. It's very good meat.
Počkaj, na početku sam isto htio Raško vučena, ne vrem se spominat to.
Ja.
Ayan guys, naglalaro sila ng touching ball. Ayan, ganyan ang laro dito sa Croatia, touching ball, oh. Ganyan lang, oh.
Really? Para is a thrower? How is to walk?
I'm not a good thrower. Ay, Ivana,
Ayan, yan lahat ang mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Isang shift kami. Bukas niyan, pang umaga kami. Anong time na? 8:10 PM. Ang pasok namin is 6 AM bukas ng umaga. Ayan.
Just kill the big boy. Hey!